If your kitchen counters are drowning in pots and pans, this video might just save your sanity. Today, I'm reviewing the KES 48-inch large hanging pot rack, one of Amazon's most talked about kitchen organizers. I've used it for weeks, tested the weight limits, and I'm sharing everything. The good, the annoying, and whether it's actually worth your money. I have used these products, and they are all high-quality products that I highly recommend. I have mentioned all the pros and cons here. I think this one is my top one pick. However, you may prefer a different product, depending on your needs and preferences. Let's get into it. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Smart Kitchen Reviews.
Top 1. KES 48-inch large hanging pot rack. This rack immediately transformed my cluttered kitchen into something that actually looks intentional. The build quality stands out first. Sturdy iron construction that doesn't wobble even when loaded with heavier cast iron pans. Installation was straightforward with the included hardware, and the S-hooks provided are a nice touch since you don't need to buy extra separately. The bronze finish also gives it a rustic, cafe-style look that photographs beautifully for anyone into kitchen aesthetics. That said, it's not flawless. The 48-inch length is great for storage, but takes serious ceiling space, so smaller kitchens might feel cramped. Mounting requires finding solid ceiling joists, which can be tricky in older homes. A few users, myself included, noticed slight sagging in the middle after loading it with 8+ heavy items long-term. Pros: sturdy build, stylish finish, easy install, generous hanging space. Cons: needs ceiling joists, bulky for small kitchens, slight center sag under heavy load.
That wraps up my honest review of the KES 48-inch pot rack. If this helped you decide, smash that like button, drop a comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe for more Amazon reviews. Check the product link in the description to grab yours. See you in the next video.